Welcome, my name is Kelsey from the Health and Wellness Lab at the University of Calgary. Today I'll be demonstrating an exercise from the ACE Home-Based Maintenance Program. This exercise is called a tricep press down, and it's going to be working your tricep muscles at the back of your arm. Please read the disclaimer on the website before starting anything, and feel free to email us at ace@ucalgary.ca if you have any questions. So how this will work is you'll use a band and you'll wrap it around a hook, just like this. You're going to keep your hands together and your arms to your side. Keep your shoulders relaxed and down. So the movement is just the elbow extension, just like that. Looking to work those tricep muscles. So you want to make sure that your elbows are glued to your side and you just have that elbow extension, keeping that shoulder down. So you can make this easier or harder based on the type of band you're using, and you can make it harder by holding up higher on the band, just like this. And you want to go fast on the way down and slower on the way up.